Hi everyone, welcome back to TBX. I'm your host, Tamarack Broha. So the other day I was going on my bike down the alley and I found this microwave. I strapped it on my bike, took it home, and now it is here. And we're gonna have a little fun. We're not gonna keep it as a pet. We're gonna figure out what is inside. And to do that, we're gonna use a 27-pound sledgehammer, a 12-pound shovel, and a common axe. So let's get started. Video. Okay guys, so now I know what the inside of the microwave looks like. It looks like the inside of a microwave. We got a bunch of little cables, but this microwave is really tough. Like the other stuff I've destroyed usually only takes 4 or 5 swings, but this is gonna take me a while. So hope you stay around. And just a quick notice, I'm not taking out my anger on the microwave. I'm just doing this for fun and to entertain you. So with that said, let's get back into the video. Danger! Danger, what is this? Comment below if you think you have an idea of what this weird thing is. So we pretty much completely destroyed the microwave. Just